Good day traders, welcome to our YouTube channel. As I told you in my previous videos, I will be making an educational video on how to plan a trade when there is a huge gap up and gap down opening in Nifty 50. Okay, so before we go and learn about this concept, I want to draw your attention to read the disclaimer that is appearing here. The content shared in this video is for educational purpose and it's not a recommendation. Okay, let's start the learning. So now, if you look at the Nifty has achieved a hallmark of 25,000, right? 25,000. So I'm not considering today's closing, but roughly I'm considering it as 25,000. Okay. Now 1% of 25,000 is 250 points, right? Okay. If it is 0.9 percentage, it will be around 210 or 200, correct? If it is 0.8 percentage, it will be 190 to 200, correct? So it is just roughly I am giving you the calculation. You can calculate by yourself. So now, why I am giving here this calculation is because to make you understand if there is a 250 points of gap down in Nifty, in the sense you must be aware that it will be around 1% of Nifty amount, right? So if it is a 0.90 percentage of gap down, in the sense you must be in a position to understand it will be around 210 to 200 points, right? So I have just given you this calculation. Now, so let us assume yesterday, okay, let us assume for yesterday, that is 5th of September, okay, the 5th of September, it has opened at 25,400. Okay, this is the opening of Nifty yesterday, 25,400, and it closed at 25,600. Okay, so just I am giving you the price action here. It is opened here and it start moving towards like this, and then it closed at 25,400, 25,600. Okay, it is a moment of almost 200 points, right? 200 points of momentum in Nifty. Okay, now there will be traders. For example, you think it is there are two traders. One trader name is X and another trader is Y. Okay, while both of them are trading yesterday at the 2:30 p.m. or 3 p.m. okay, they will be looking at their own analysis and they will assume and they will think that there is a chances that Nifty can move towards upward direction like this. This X analysis says, and this X assumes there is a chance that the Nifty has a potential to travel upward direction. And this Y trader, as per his own analysis, he assumes that the Nifty from here again it can move back to its original position of 25,400. So here the X trader, what will he do in the sense he will buy some positions to carry for 6th of September. Okay, 6th of September, this X trader, what he will do, he will buy some calls. He will buy some calls. Okay, he will buy some calls. And this X trader, his analysis is saying for him is again the Nifty can come back to the original level, right? So he will buy some puts. He will buy some puts, and they will close for the day. And today in the morning, both of the traders will get to know that the Nifty is opening a gap down of 1%, that is 200 points. 200 points. Sorry, it is, you can think it as 0.9%. Okay, 200 points. Now this extrader will have his own calculation, right? He will be thinking, so what to do? As soon as the market opens, I will be seeing a huge loss because my analysis, my prediction has gone wrong. Correct? Here, the ex trader will be happy because his prediction was gone right. As soon as the market opens, he will be seeing a huge profit because nothing doing with the nothing doing on the day, he is getting a reward of 200 points because the market was kind enough to reward him because his analysis has gone right. So he will be having a huge profit. The X trader, the white trader, the X trader will have a huge loss on his MTM. In this scenario, what will happen is the white trader will be eager to book his profits, right? The X trader will be eager to square off his positions, or if it is a X trader who has a good amount with him, good capital in him, what he will do is he will still try to buy some calls that still he don't want to go low in his confidence. Still he is assuming that again then Nifty can come back to 25,600. So he will still buy positions. So this kind of buying and selling happens very fast. Okay, in this, people those who are experienced less than 2 years or 2.5 years or 3 years, okay, they will not be able to manage their positions in this first 15 minutes of the day opens. Okay, so this volatility can continue for half an hour. Okay, they will half an hour, or it can be 45 minutes, or it can be 60 minutes. So the ideal scenario for a trader who has a very less experience in the stock market, I suggest the trader to wait at least 1 hour, at least 1 hour to take his positions or to do his analysis. Okay, I have deleted all the drawings. Now I have kept the levels of 25,400 and 25,600. Okay, let us assume. So for your better understanding, on 6th of September, I am going to draw a vertical line of 1030. This 1030. Okay, to explain you in a better way, I am just trying to zoom out the screen. Okay, so now there is a gap down opening of 200 points, that is at 25,400, right? The market, the Nifty is here now. The market is standing here, and later on it moves up like this. Okay, and suddenly there will be a sharp downfall. Okay, and comes down like this, and again it starts moving up. Correct, and again moves upward direction like this, and again came to this level and closed at the 25,450. In fact, till 10:30, the Nifty is standing at 24,450. Now, from here onwards, you can do the analysis and identify how or what could be the next move of Nifty, whether it is going upward direction or it is going to go downward direction. Here, always I suggest you to identify the major swings that is happened from 9:15 to 10:30. This is a major swing, right? And this is a major swing because the Nifty has come to this position. From here it moved towards the upward direction. After reaching to the certain level, again the Nifty has come back to this position, that is 25,450. Now what you have to do is you have to draw horizontal lines of these swings. Okay, and you have to wait patiently. You have to allow the Nifty to take its own direction. let Nifty prove whether it wants to move upward direction from here like this, or it wants to move downward direction from this point. Okay, so you have to be waiting very patiently, let the Nifty decide its direction, because in case if you jump here and take positions for the upward direction, who knows, the Nifty can move in your direction and suddenly it can fall, right? Okay, if you think the Nifty is going to downward direction, it can move towards your direction and suddenly can move upward direction, right? So you have to be very careful until and unless you should not be placing any trades until the swings are taken out by the Nifty. Okay. Now from here the Nifty started coming towards downward direction. Okay, wait. Don't do any ambush entries. Okay. Let this swing be broken with a good value. Okay, I'm drawing a candle here. Okay, I'm drawing a candle here. Let the Nifty break this level with a good volume like this in a red color. Okay, I'm showing this here for you for your reference. Okay, and then as soon as it's taken out, don't be in a hurry to take the downwards direction trade. Okay, downward direction. Let the Nifty, let it go. Let this come back to this position again. Okay, let it face the resistance, because this is a support. This support becomes a resistance once the price started trading below to this price, right? And then what you can do is you can keep the stop loss of high of this candle, and you can take trades towards the downward direction. Okay, and here you will be getting a question, how many points we need to wait, how many points the Nifty can still travel towards the downward direction. It's all depends upon your the risk and reward. If you are providing 30 points of stop loss, it's always better to take 60 points of profit or 90 points of profit. If you are a scalper, then I will only suggest 1:1, 30 points of SL, 30 points of target. Okay, and now the Nifty is moving towards the upward direction from here. Okay, upward direction from here, and if it is breaking up with a good value with the candle. Okay, as I shown you in this chart, you can see here, let it break with a good volume like this. Okay, good volume like this in a green color. Okay, then what you can do is you have to wait. Let the Nifty to move a little bit further, and again if it is coming back to this position, this area, because there is a high swing it has made here earlier, and we will find out whether the Nifty is trying to take support in this level, that is 25,550. If you see, okay, the Nifty is traveling again from here to the upper direction, what you can do is you can place your SL at this low of this candle, and you can start take position towards the upward direction. Okay, here again it depends upon your the risk and the reward. How many points you are going to risk? If you are risking, if you are in a risk of 30 points, then your target should be 60 or it should be 90. If you are a scalper, then it is 1:1, that is 30 and then 30. Or if it is 20 for a scalper, it should be 20 points of the target. Okay, like this you have to plan. Whenever you see there is a huge gap up and gap down in Nifty. Okay, and also while these levels may not help you in certain cases, you have to have a knowledge of the global markets, and you should have a news of the globally what is happening around, correct? So you should also take those updates into consideration while you are trading. Along with this, here I want to recommend a broker where there is a absolute zero charges when you are going to buy and sell. Okay, for the traders who those who are less than 2 years in the system, okay, I suggest them and I recommend a broker where you can go and take benefits of the charges. In other brokers in India, what they do is they will charge 20 rupees to buy, correct, and 20 rupees to sell. The broker that I am going to recommend you is they will charge 0 to buy and 0 rupees to sell. For example, if anyone who is less than 2 years and he is a scalper, on daily basis he is triggering around 15 to 20 trades or 20 to 30 trades. Okay, so his brokerage charges will go up to 30 into 20, that is equal to 600 rupees. Okay, if you use the broker what I am going to recommend you, you can save this 600 rupees per day. Okay, for the traders who are with less capital amount, who has less funds in their demand account, this 600 rupees is not a small amount for them to save. Okay, and I am also using the same broker. Till now I haven't faced any lag or any issues with the broker. Till now the broker is working fine. Okay, I am revealing the name of the broker is Shunya. Okay, Shunya, or you also will be knowing as Finvasia. Okay, the description I have given in this video's description. If you are interested, you can go and open an account and try and see whether it works for you or not. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.